So hello and welcome back to Goo Monday's Coins and Banknotes, and in today's video we're reviewing a video I should have done at least 2 years ago, but I didn't actually get this coin set until recently. This is the 2022 Frontline Workers Uncirculated coin set, and this is the first year they issued the new pack. And the downside with this pack is that they can't put much information about the actual what it's celebrating, unlike the previous 1984 to 2021 series. So this comes in a cardboard folder, and it has images of people who are frontline workers. So here we have a person who's in the military, army most likely, could be Navy or Air Force, but they generally use blue because it reflects where the main camouflage where they are. It's got a mask on, so probably medical personnel. And also we have 5 people on the back. So obviously she's probably a nurse, just based on their clothing, not their gender. A police officer, a surgeon, a GP, and he looks like a yobbo. But that said, he's more than likely either SES or CFA. Because the firefighters are actually missing out of this. She could also be an ambulance worker. So it's not specified. And here we have the specifications of the coins, typical circulating coins. And this is the COVID pandemic. Okay, so that's what this is, to celebrate people who actually had to do stuff during the COVID pandemic. So, okay, all right. So you actually keep this plastic cover, just protects it, but it also is a bit hard to actually stuff it. So you can actually take the coin cover out this way. And what you'll first notice is that if you I've done this with the 2023 one. Was it 2024? You can actually open this pretty easily. Or maybe it's a bit harder in this one. No. So you put your fingernails in there, but you need to have fingernails in the first place. Okay, and you can actually break it open. Okay, so that's the downside with these coin packs. You can break it open. Then you can swap the coins around. But while we've got this open, I can see that this one has fine scratches on it. The 50 cent, the 20 cent does as well. So obviously these are not high quality coins. Okay, yeah, you can see scratching on the effigy's face. Same as there. How about the $1? Okay, this one seems to be off center strike. It's not uncommon with $2 coins. Okay, scratching on that 10-cent coin. So you need to be careful. Obviously, these are not the high quality that people think they are. Okay, so that's the Jodie Clark effigy on all these coins, because she passed away during this year. So obviously, when these were minted, she was still alive. Okay, and in the background, I don't know what that is. Could be a circuit board. Okay, then we have the normal circulating coins. So we have the 5 cent with the short nose echidna, short beaked. We have the lyrebird. We have the commemorative coin. The $2 also issued for circulation, so there's nothing special about this. The $1 coin with the 5 kangaroos. Species is unknown. More than likely eastern and western grey kangaroo, but it could represent any species depending on your state. Then we have the coat of arms with the emu and also generic kangaroo. Obviously, emu is one species, occurs in every state. Well, there were subspecies on Tasmanian island of King Island and also Kangaroo Island in South Australia. They are extinct. Then we have the platypus, it's just one species, but is the form as changed that much in 120 million years. So monotramine, then we have marsupials, I think they call oifarians, metatherians, depending on where the actual young develop. Okay, so is there anything special about this coin set? So all of these pretty much have standard circulating coins in there. Okay, so 2022, obviously they minted these in 2022. They would have also minted 2020 and 2021 and 2022 as well. It's just the way the mint works. There's no reason for it. They just want to use the dies up. But in 2023, obviously, they didn't issue any standard circulating coins. So they issued the 2022 as a frozen date for that year. And probably 2024, so this year. So this is the 2nd of April. They're probably still using the actual dies up. So the mintage figures that we have for these coins now, they're actually quite a high mintage. So there's nothing really special about this coin set. Okay, so the $2, we have 2 million. That's pretty standard for commemorative coins. So this $2, 2 million coins minted. Like every other commemorative $2 coin issued by the Reserve Bank. No, not Reserve Bank. Issued by the Mint. I'm not talking about the Woolworths ones, but they're pretty much $2, 2 million as well. So that's the lowest minted coin. Then we have the $1 with 6 million. And these ones, mintage could actually go up at the end of the annual report this year. So we'll just wait and see. 50 cent, 22 million. Nothing special about those. 20 cent, 73 million pretty much. So this is the highest minted coin of the lot. 10 cent, we have 9 million. Yeah, not really scarce, but one of the lower minted 10 cent coins. And the 5 cent, we have 49 million. So pretty much the only two coins that you would actually be interested in keeping is the $2 because of the low mintage, and the $1. And if you collect 10 cent coins, yeah, obviously that. But you can get these, should be able to get all these in circulation and not rip these out of uncirculated coin sets. So that said, I'm a bit surprised that these are reaching about $50 to $100. They were reaching $100 at one time, but I think they come down to closer to $50 on eBay. So I'm just a bit surprised. And another fact is that the Royal Australian Mint, I think they stopped selling them around October, November 2022. I don't know why they actually stopped selling them, because like the 2023, and they're still selling those. So, or they might have stopped now that they've issued the 2024, but they did sell them for a longer period of time than these ones. Anyway, so yeah, not really a bad coin set. Obviously, no coins are actually going to be special, unlike, well, this year's uncirculated coin set, and also the 2023, which had the memorial effigy dated 2023. So, in the 2024 coins with Jody Clark, which are not going to be issued for circulation. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.